If you're looking for the perfect healthy lunchbox snack or just something for afternoon tea, then the Victorian strawberry rice bubble slice is absolutely ideal. Now I'm going to add all of my dry ingredients to the bowl. First I've got some puffed brown rice. It's about 2 cups there. I've got 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, and I've got a selection of seeds and nuts here. So I've got pepitas, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and some chia seeds. And in they go. And I'm going to mix it all together with some runny honey and butter. And that goes in. Victorian strawberries are absolutely perfect in your lunchbox and your afternoon tea snack. My family love them and your family will too.